Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this protection door from shaytan. And as we craft, we're going to be learning the importance of saying authobillahi ashaytan arajim, which means I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaytan. Are you excited? You're gonna need a pencil and colours, glue and paper, and a pair of scissors. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job! I'm starting off by bending my paper in half and making a door. Today, I want to tell you something very special, something beautiful, powerful. It's a little sentence. Very important sentence that we say to ask Allah for protection. And that sentence is authobillahi ashaytan arajim. Can you say it with me? Authobillahi ashaytan arajim. Perfect. That means, dear Allah, please protect me from shaytan, the bad one. Let's break it up. A'udhu means I ask for protection. Billahi means from Allah, the one who can protect you from everything. Min ash-shaytan. This means from shaytan, the creature who tries to whisper mean ideas or naughty suggestions into your heart. Arajim. This means the one who is rejected. Allah pushed him away. Now, why do we need this sentence? Let me tell you. Shaytan whispers to everyone. He wants to shape your heart in a bad way. So he sometimes whispers bad things in our heads. And to get him away, we say, authobillahi ashaytan arajim. Now that I've done our little door, I'm cutting out a picture of shaytan. Now we don't know what he looks like, so you can draw anything. It could be fire. Now we are not scared of shaytan, because we can say authobillahi ashaytan arajim and have Allah's protection, which is far greater than any silly shaytan. But shaytan tries to whisper things into your heart like, don't listen to your mum, say something mean, don't pray now, don't share, don't say sorry. But shaytan can't make you do anything. He can't force you. He can't touch you. He's very, very weak, and Allah is so strong. Shaytan only whispers. And when you say the special sentence, he runs away. He doesn't walk away. He doesn't hide. He runs because he's scared of the words that you say. Even kids can scare him away. Isn't that awesome? So we need to remember this sentence because it's very important. Now I'm cutting out a long strip and I'm going to fold it over each other so we can stick shaytan at the end and he can pop out of the door. Now when are the best times to say authobillahi ashaytan arajim? Can you think of any? I'll give you one. When you're angry, when your face feels hot and you want to yell and hit, you can say authobillahi ashaytan arajim and watch how your heart cools down. When else should we say authobillahi ashaytan arajim? Can you shout them out? That's right. And when someone annoys you, maybe your brother takes your toy, your sister won't stop poking you, maybe someone says something rude, you can say the sentence. It helps you stay patient. When you're scared, you could be scared of noises or the dark, or scared of nightmares. You can say the sentence and Allah will comfort you. We can say it before reading Quran. This makes your heart clean and focused so you can understand better. When you feel sad, shaytan likes to whisper sad thoughts, and this sentence pushes them away. When you feel that your heart is heavy, you can just say it anytime. Allah hears you always. Any negative feeling, you can say it. Now it's time to colour in our shaytan, but first I'm going to stick it on the end. But you don't have to, you can colour it in first and then stick it on our little piece of paper that pops up and down. Now when you say authobillahi ashaytan arajim, imagine it like a glowing shield around you. When you say the sentence, imagine a bright shield forming around your body. Nothing bad can get through it. If you feel scared or worried, these words switch on a warm, bright light that chases away all shadows. And imagine blowing bubbles. When you say the sentence, the bad thoughts float away like bubbles in the wind. And it's kind of like a guard dog that protects you. Not a scary dog, a friendly guardian. The words stand beside you and protect you from anything bad. And sometimes hearts feel dirty with anger or sadness. These words wash your heart like warm water washes your hands. Would you like to hear a story? Okay. Omar loved building things. One morning he woke up excited and said, I'm going to build the tallest block tower ever. He stacked blue blocks, then red ones, then green ones. He worked so carefully. Finally, the tower was so tall, he needed to stand on tiptoes to finish it. Just then, his little sister waddled in. She giggled. She reached her tiny hand out and knocked the whole tower down. Crash! Omar felt his heart explode inside. His face went red. He wanted to yell, "Why did you do that?" But then he remembered something his mum taught him. When you're angry, say "A'udhu billahi minash shaytan arajim," and shaytan will run away. So Omar said it quietly, then louder, then again, and something amazing happened. His heart calmed down. His face cooled. His fists relaxed. Instead of shouting, he took a deep breath and said, "Come on, let's build it again together." His sister clapped happily and they built an even better tower. Why? Because Omar chased shaytan away with the powerful words. Here's another story. Every night, Maryam would get scared before sleeping. She didn't like shadows on the walls. She didn't like the creaks and crackles of the house. She didn't like being alone. One night she whispered to her mum, "Mama, I'm scared of the dark." Her mum smiled and said, "Sweetheart, whenever you're scared, say authobillahi ashaytan arajim, because Allah is with you and He never sleeps." So Maryam tried it. She pulled her blanket up to her chin. She said the words softly. And subhanallah, the shadows didn't look scary anymore. The sounds didn't bother her. Her heart felt warm and safe. She fell asleep like a little kitten curled in a warm basket. Let's hear another. One afternoon, Bilal saw a shiny toy car on the floor at school. He thought, no one is watching. Maybe I can take it home. Then he felt a tiny whisper. Do it now. No one will know. He froze. He remembered his teacher saying, when a bad idea comes suddenly, say authobillahi ashaytan arajim. So he said it right there. And the bad whisper stopped. It disappeared like smoke. Bilal put the toy car back on the shelf. He felt proud. He felt strong. He beat shaytan that day. Now I'm writing on the front of our door, authobillahi ashaytan arajim, and its translation. Hoda had a big test. She studied hard. But when she sat at her desk, she suddenly forgot everything. Her hands got sweaty. Her heart raced. A whisper came. You're going to fail. She said softly, authobillahi ashaytan arajim. Right away, her mind cleared like a window being wiped. She remembered everything she studied. She finished the test early. Why? Because she pushed the bad whisper away and asked Allah to help her. So how Allah helps you when you say it? He makes your heart calm. The storm inside becomes quiet. He makes you patient. You feel less angry and more peaceful. He keeps shaytan away. Shaytan becomes tiny and weak. And he gives you courage. You become brave. He helps you make good choices. You choose kindness, honesty and goodness. He makes your soul feel clean, like washing dirt off your hands, and makes your mind clear so you can focus and learn. Look at the beauty of this sentence, subhanallah. So let's practice it together. A'udhu billahi ashaytan arajim, which means I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaytan. Say it again without me. Perfect. And again together. A'udhu billahi ashaytan arajim. Beautiful. Every time you say it, your heart grows stronger. Now I've drawn a little doorknob, and I'm going to decorate our beautiful door. And you know what's amazing? You can remind others. If your brother gets angry, remind him gently. Say, A'udhu billahi ashaytan arajim. If your friend gets scared, tell them, A'udhu billahi ashaytan arajim. You can help others feel better too. You are never alone, even when you feel alone, even when you're by yourself, even when it's dark and you're scared. Allah is with you. Allah sees you. Allah hears you. Allah knows what's in your heart. Allah knows every tear, every smile, every thought. And Allah loves you more than you can imagine. More than the stars love the sky. More than the ocean loves the moon. More than your favorite toy loves to be played with. His love for you is endless. Shaytan whispers bad ideas because he's jealous of you. He wishes he had a soft heart like you. He wishes he could start over and be good, but he cannot. So instead, he tries to bother people. But here's the truth. Shaytan is very weak. You are much stronger. And Allah is the strongest of them all. Shaytan can never beat you if you stay close to Allah. Not ever. Your heart is like a beautiful shining lantern. But sometimes anger, sadness, jealousy, fear, meanness and lying and shouting put a little dust on your lantern. That's normal. Everyone gets dust sometimes. But you know what cleans it? Saying authobillahi ashaytan arajim. These words wipe the dust away. They make your lantern glow again. When you say authobillahi ashaytan arajim, angels come close. Shaytan runs away. Your heart becomes calm and your mind becomes clear. Your soul becomes peaceful and Allah protects you. Allah smiles at your effort. Your good deeds increase and your strength grows. These are not small things. These are gifts from Allah. Now I'm grabbing our pop-up shaytan. I'm going to give it a little trim and glue it inside our door. So every time he pops up, we can close the door on him by saying, authobillahi ashaytan arajim. When you say the sentence, your home becomes brighter. Even if the lights are off, your room becomes brighter, your heart becomes brighter, and your family becomes brighter. Your home becomes filled with peace. You might be small, but your light is big. So remember, anytime your heart feels angry, scared, sad, lonely, confused, worried, nervous, upset, hurt, you say, authobillahi ashaytan arajim. It's your shield, your comfort, your protection. Look, now we're closing the door on shaytan whenever he tries to pop up. We say, authobillahi ashaytan arajim. I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed shaytan. Allah loves it when you say these beautiful words. Look at us shutting shaytan out. He is weak and Allah is stronger.
Wow, look at the beautiful craft you made! I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can remember to say authobillahi ashaytan arajim when we want Allah's protection from shaytan. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, protect me from shaytan and all the bad in the world. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.